Again execute the previous program. In this session, I'll teach you the meaning of local variables. Right now, cursor is blinking on the first executable line, that is integer main void. Now see the watch window at the bottom. In the watch window, I have shown contents of A, B, M, N and K variables. Right now all the 5 variables are undefined. Now watch this watch window very carefully. Press F7 key to execute the program and press one more time F7 key. Now see the watch window. The values of A and B are displayed at watch, but the values of variable M, N and K are not displayed. Watch is saying that these values are undefined. Why it is so? This is because the variable A and B, this variable A and B are local variables to function main. That is, the scope of the variable A and B is limited to the function main. In other words, the values of A and B are visible within controls. When control is in the hands of function main. Now press F7 to execute the function call SUMAB colon. Right now cursor is over there. Note that here this A and B inside the function call, these are the arguments of function sum. I'll repeat the sentence. Here A and B, these two variables is nothing but arguments of function sum. Okay, now press F7 key. Now control is transferred to the function sum. The working of function main is temporarily suspended. The contents of A and B are copied to M and N. See the watch. The variable A and B as well as K is undefined. Okay, have you noticed this change? Variable A, B and K, they are undefined. Remember one more point, this M and N, when we define the function, this M and N is known as parameters of function sum. Now again, see the watch window. Here A, B and K are undefined, while M and N contains value 5 and 10 respectively. Can you explain me why it is so? The control is in the hands of function sum and execution of main is suspended. The variable A and B are local variable of main. We know that variable A and B are local variables of function main, and that is why values A and B are not visible inside the function sum. Is it clear? Why K is undefined? Note that K is a local variable of function sum. You see, K is a local variable of function sum because it is defined inside the block of function sum. Okay, now it is not yet the control is not yet entered inside the block of function sum, hence K is undefined. Now press F7. Let's see. Now content of K is, press one more time F7, it is now 15. So K is visible because K is local to function sum, and that is why it is visible. Now you see, A and B are undefined, but M, N and K are defined. Now K contain the result of addition of m and n. Press one more time F7 key to see the result at DOS prompt. Yes, the sum is 15. It is nothing but addition of m and n, contents of m and n. Okay, is it clear? Now I will repeat one more point. The variable a and b, these are local variable to function main. The scope of this a and b is limited to function main. Okay, so this means that when the control is in the hands of function main, at that time only we can see the contents of a and b. Similarly, the variable k is local to function sum. The scope of variable k is between this opening brass and closing brass. This means when control is in the hands of function sum, at that time only we can watch the contents of variable k. One more point that is very important. Here this a and b inside the sum is, they are arguments of function sum, while when we define the function, this m and n, these are the parameters of function sum. Is it clear? Thank you.